In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase and decrease list level in PowerPoint. Understanding how to adjust list levels is a fundamental skill when creating presentations. It not only improves the structure and readability of your slides, but also enhances the overall visual appeal. Let's start by learning how to increase a list level. First, position the cursor on the line of text that you wish to indent. This is important because the action you're about to take, whether through a button click or a keyboard shortcut, will specifically target the line your cursor is on. With your cursor in place, navigate to the Home tab at the top of the PowerPoint interface. Here you'll find a group labeled Paragraph. This section contains the tools you need. Within the paragraph group, look for a button marked Increase List Level. Clicking this button will indent your line, pushing it further to the right and into a deeper list level. You'll notice the text will move forward, visually indicating a hierarchy within your list. This is particularly helpful when delineating subpoints or more detailed information under a main point. Another quick and efficient way to increase the list level is by using your keyboard. Simply press the Tab key. This shortcut offers a fast and convenient alternative to using your mouse, especially if you're adjusting multiple lines. It's an excellent time saver and can make your workflow more fluid. Now let's move on to decreasing a list level. The process is similar, but of course works in reverse. When you want to bring a line back to a less indented level, place your cursor on that line. Remember, precision is key. Your cursor's placement directs which line the level adjustment will affect. Again, head over to the Home tab, and within the same paragraph group you'll find the Decrease List Level button. Clicking this will bring your line back to the left, essentially reversing the initial indent and repositioning it to a more primary level in your list's hierarchy. Alternatively, if you prefer using the keyboard, you can decrease the list level by pressing Shift and Tab together. This keyboard shortcut not only speeds up the process, but also keeps your hands on the keyboard, which can maintain your flow of work. Being familiar with both methods provides flexibility, allowing you to choose based on what feels more intuitive or practical at the moment. Whether you're preparing a detailed company report or creating an educational slide, knowing how to efficiently navigate through list levels will undoubtedly enhance your presentation skills. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find these tips helpful in creating more structured and professional PowerPoint presentations.